PDR, known as paintless dent removal, is the fastest, most efficient, cost-effective, and most valuable superior method for removing door dings, hail damage, and minor dents. Of course, there are a few different PDR companies near you, and you'll have some choices. But did you know not all PDR technicians are the same? Paintless dent removal requires a massive amount of experience, and letting just any PDR tech work on your vehicle is like playing Russian roulette. A PDR tech often uses very sharp-tipped tools to push against the backside of your panel. It takes just the right amount of pressure to manipulate the metal without harming the finish, and that's where the skill is really involved. In many circumstances, a PDR tech is much compared to a plastic surgeon on a vehicle. If not performed at a high-level skill, you could in fact be left with paint scarring that can't be reversed. Beyond that, you have no other option but the body shop, and that's defeating the purpose. Our reputation for the highest caliber work and complete satisfaction is our first priority. We encourage you to please contact us today or text us your photos for a free and fast estimate. Thank you.